Elliot loves red beans and rice. Mmm, yummy. And bite? Mmm, so good. Look at that big boy. Mmm, yummy. Oh, goodness. Elliot, is it good? Like, get it in my hair. Don't use your hand. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. You're a big boy. Hey. Mmm, yummy. You want to say bite? Bite. He loves red beans and rice, I'll tell ya. Pretty, pretty. Mmm, big bite. Get every bit of it off. Yummy. It's a big bite. All right, well, this is Elliot eating with the spoon for all of you people who want to see.